Come test drive the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Your new ride is just a phone call away.